We're going down!
Everyone all right?
Oh, Rat, you ate my entire
Quark,
family.
could you?
Now
On
how
it.
are we supposed to get married?
Kronk, come in. Zephyr, do you copy? Super. Oh, no, no, no. Come on.
This is it. The end of President Captain Quark. I can feel death's icy grip. Nefarious, I'm sorry I pushed you around in high school. You were smart, and I was such a...
Moron?
I was gonna say Adonis, but if you want to be a jerk about it...
I'm sorry, too. You should know that even as I was wishing the Blarg would tear you apart limb from limb so I could river dance around your smoldering, squishy carcass, I still considered you a friend.
An intergalactic Tool of Justice award.
If you fellas are done, I'm gonna need that wrench back. Yep, Home Office sent me out here to fix a broken Versafuse. Usually I stick to the toilet-related catastrophes, but, you know, I'm filling in for a guy. Well, there you go. She's ready for one non-stop trip to Uzo City.
Wait, aren't you gonna give us some cryptic advice we can use to defeat Nevo?
Oh, sorry, friend. That kind of advice, I'm afraid I don't have. Good luck.
Susie, what are you doing here?
Leading an assault.
I know how you feel, kid. A few years ago, I'd be doing the same thing, but running into something you're unprepared for isn't going to bring them back. Tell you what, why don't you and your friends guard this spot for us?
You mean like hold the perimeter?
You guys want me to hold the perimeter too?
You're coming. And stop falling to the back of the group. You're not fooling anyone.
プリンセスキュアマーメイド。
きらめく星のプリンセスキュアトゥインクル。
シンクの炎のプリンセスキュアスカーレット。
強く
優しく
美しく
ゴープリンセスプリキュア。冷たい檻に閉ざされた夢返していただきますわ。お覚悟決めなさい。
Sonja Farrington, enchanted power!